No, Amelia.
Yeah.
You can't tell them anything.
So it is over there. I guess they could do it. Okay, now.
Hi, it's Ellie Nova.
Okay, come on.
Hey, you dog that will bite me. Hi, dog. Hi, dog.
It's right in here because the last one I found was...
Okay, come here, Mel.
I'm not leaving you.
Don't tell him.
We also have to remove the neck is 8 feet tall. Okay, what color was it? Purple. Was it purple? Yeah. So look to me. So mine still says... Oh, man, this is still a long time ago. 0 feet. Am I standing on top of it?
Pretty close.
I'm at 0. This is ground 0. Come over here, kiddos. Come over here. Emery, is your nose bleeding? It's somewhere around here. There's a little stack of rocks. Does somebody want to dig under the rocks and see? Did you see anything?
No, me.
Go help Noah.
Found it.
Yay, it's the treasure. We found the treasure. Cool. Okay, so if this is ground 0, it's about 5 feet off.
Yeah, we'll have to measure. Back.
I promise they won't stop it.
So, it's in here, around in here somewhere.
I know why it's this hot.
I think Brady's already forgotten where she put it. No, it's still there. I already saw it.
Where?
Where I hid it. She's looking. No. It's not. It's not under anything.
Okay.
You're not going to have to uncover it. Alright. 9 feet.
I know where it is.
8 feet. Mine says it's on the right.
It's in
That's
here.
wrong. It's not on the right.
That's not.
Oh, from the street it would be on the right.
Hey.
But it's not necessarily on the right of the sidewalk. 4 feet.
Alright,
And
and where
Terry
they
found
look.
it.
Ooh. I'm like right on it, right here. It must be somewhere right in here.
Will you? I found it.
Somewhere in here.
How did you get it so good? Now where is she? Now where's Mama?
I'm right here. I know where it's hidden. You're too low.
Are we too high?
Nope, you're still too low.
Okay.
Getting closer.
What about now?
Getting closer. Still not there yet. You're closer, but you're not there yet.
Alright, you don't have to uncover anything. So,
You don't have to uncover, and you're getting closer. So where's the too low?
I looked under here.
Okay, that's too low. Where else can you go? Emma is so close to it, she would be burned.
Here?
It's not in there. It's right out where you want it. You're just in the right spot. You don't see it.
look up on the side. Look up on the side. Do you see something up there?
I see it. Whoa. I see it. That's it. That's it.
Can you reach it?
My poor son.
Did you see it, Nellie?
Yeah.
You did see
This
it.
piece of tape was laying in someone's yard.
Hey, can I? I'm on the opposite.
This is pretty cool.
How close did it get you?
Right here, it was at 4 feet.
One time it said 1 foot, but that
And
was almost standing
I
over
held
there.
it right here and marked it.
So it'll get us, yeah, within 8 feet or so.
It's a hot dog.